Now let's say int j equals to 20 and system.out.println I plus j. Now what will be printed? Now we are jumping onto operator part. Okay, we have seen how to create integer, character, and float. Now we are jumping onto operation. So first operation is plus. What will be the output?
30.
30. Perfect. Straight, right? 10 plus 20 equals to 30, and then it will print 30. Correct? Now, if I say minus, what will be the output? 10 minus 20?
Minus 10.
Minus 10. Perfect. So this is just for seeing if it is working or not. So 10 into 20, 200, right? So these are basic operations. Now this is important. Divide. So remember what I told. What does divide give?
Quotient.
Divide. Correct.
Quotient.
Divide. Yes, divide gives the quotient. So what will be the quotient for this?
2.
10 divided by 20.
0.5. 0.5.
Correct.
So which is 0 here?
Correct. So why 0?
It's integer.
So
Decimals will not be. Decimals will be get truncated.
correct. So now there is an important catch here. Now the catch is based on what we have already learned. Okay, but I'm repeating it again because everything relies on basics. So what does the basic say? That if I divide 10 by 20, I will get 0.5. Now 0.5 is a double by default. I told you, right? We saw when I was trying to add 1.1 into f, it was giving me error. Why? With the message that you cannot store a double value into a float variable. Correct? Remember that?
Yep.
Similarly, 0.5 is a double. Okay, and I'm trying to print an integer. So it says I cannot sustain the double value in the integer. I can only sustain the integer part of it. So 0.5, the integer part is 0. Point, I don't care because I cannot sustain it, right? That is out of my capacity, out of the integer's capacity. Integer cannot hold the decimal value. That is the reason why it only holds the non-decimal value, and it printed 0, not 0.5. Got it, everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
So now if I change this from divide to modulus, what would be the output? 10 divide by 20, what would be the remainder? Divide by 20, then it is not going to put 0.5 because 0.5 is decimal or double. It will just say 20, 0, 0, and remainder is 10. That is the logic. It cannot go double anywhere. Got the logic? I cannot say 0.5 here because it's all integer. Is that clear?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. So this was the operation: plus, minus, multiply, divide, and modulus. 5 operations.